everyone, welcome to the channel. We're in San Carlos today and we come to pick up some family members from Cebu, and they got the late ferry, so we got a little time to kill. And guess what we're going to do? I don't know if you noticed or not, but check this out. What side I'm on. Oh, I'm not driving. I wonder why. Just keep it right on the right side. Look who's driving. So serious. I apologize for the movements. I'm trying to do a video and you're going to hit, there you go. Oh. Ah, yes. Grace is trying to practice her driving skills. I'm trying to teach her a little safety and how to stay in her side of the lane, and give her an idea of how the vehicle turns. Now, she hasn't driven this vehicle since we overhauled the engine. It's got a considerable amount more power, so I think she's a little bit shy. Yeah, good girl. Looking both ways, seeing traffic coming. There you go. There you go. Now, there's a place here in San Carlos called Center Mall. It's an ideal spot to practice. Not much traffic. It's a lot safer than trying to do it on the highway. If I can just teach her not to panic, we'd be fine. She could drive good. It's been a while since she's been behind the wheel. I'm trying to see how much she has forgotten. My camera, I can't get too far back to give you a good view. Pull out in front of you. You've seen that coming. Turn. There you go. You've done that Filipino style, you know that, don't you? Come in on the counterflow lane. Yeah, I thought I'd entertain everybody with being a driver instructor. I'm not very good at that. I've been driving so long, it's all instinct to me. To be honest with you, I can't remember when I actually first started driving. Notice or not, but the van's a whole lot quieter. We got our struts replaced, the tie rod ends and the rack end, got the oil changed, and discovered what was rattling underneath. I knew it was the exhaust. I've actually got the parts ordered for that. Just the hangers, the little rubber mounts, and luckily they're available, and they should be here within a couple of days. And they were very affordable. 4 pieces ended up costing me shipping and everything, I think about $7. So that wasn't too bad. And they're fairly easy to install. They just rubber mounts is all they are. Grace makes me think she's going to hit that curb anytime. Hasn't learned to be comfortable with the steering. Let the van do most of the work. Oh no. He's on down. He's on down. Go a little further down so you can see better. There you go. Always get down to the intersection where you can see. Anyway, guys, that's for the day's little educational view. Wish me luck. Maybe one of these days I can turn loose on the highway. Y'all take care now.